channel does not promote any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. We declare that some of the contents are taken from social medias. If you find any mistake or copyright violation in our contents, please feel free to contact us through contact@cyberalphabet.in or comment below. We will definitely solve the issue. Thank you. Hi, welcome to CyberAlphabet. Today we are learning how to perform brute force attack on web applications. A brute force attack is a trial and error approach to guess a password or something like that. There are different types of brute force attacks. First one is dictionary attack. Here the attacker will use a word list of possible passwords towards a username. Second one is reverse brute force. This doesn't target a specific username, but instead, use a common group of passwords or an individual password against a list of possible usernames. And third one is credential stuffing. Here a known username password pair is used in different websites to get access. Here, we are using Kali Linux and Metasploiable 2 for demonstration. To know how to install and set up Metasploiable and Kali Linux in Veeam Player, check the description. Let's start Metasploiable and Kali Linux. Both Kali Linux and Metasploiable are now ready to use. Let's open DVWA in Kali Linux by visiting the Metasploiable IP address in Kali browser. The DVWA is loaded successfully. Let's log in with username as admin and password as password. And change security settings to low. Now the security level is set to low. Let's move to brute force menu to perform our brute force attack. We are using a tool named Hydra for brute forcing. Let's set up the terminal first. You can see all the settings of Hydra by the command, man Hydra. Since we are performing a dictionary attack, we need a word list. Let's use the ON, which is available with Kali Linux, as follows. Extract the file to our working directory on the desktop. The argument L is the username we want to attack. Here we already know the username as admin. Argument P is the password we want to try. We don't know what this is yet, so we'll pull in a word list. That's what we extracted before. Argument S is the port, and the next IP address is the server IP address. We can also use the host name instead. Next argument is service. Here we can find that by check the source code in browser as follows. Here we can pass the parameters which are getting submitted to server when we click the login button. These are separated by full colons. Here, you can find those in the URL itself. The values we want to guess can be indicated by placing between two caret symbols. Next argument is error message, copy that from browser. Here we can see 16 pairs of values. Actually, these are not the expected result. When we ran our command, we didn't actually give a way for Hydra to authenticate to our target page. Hence, without us knowing, Hydra actually ran the attack unauthenticated, which means the attack ran against our server IP/login.php. Since the failed login error message for that page isn't the same as our target, Hydra can't really tell what a valid credential set is. So it just throws out the first 16 passwords in Rockio.txt at random for each of Hydra's 16 process threads. To authenticate the Hydra to our target page, we will copy the cookie details from browser and pass along with the parameters, as follows. Let's check. Copy the security and PHP session ID to terminal as follows. Yes. We got a single result. Username as admin, and password as password. Let's check this by logging in. Yes. We cracked the admin login. We can see the success message. Now we have cracked, let's check how we can protect our applications from this kind of attacks. These are some methods. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to CyberAlphabet for more videos. Goodbye.